The LG the session. Today I'm doing a video about the Coolpad Suva for Boost Mobile. So this is a new phone for Boost Mobile. It is now available as of July 13th. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, the Coolpad Suva should be the phone for you guys. So this is a budget phone. How much available now for $49.99? Camera still $30 off. The full virtual price of the Coolpad Suva is $99.99. So this is a budget phone, like I said, with budget spice and everything else. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to Paul Tech. He did an unboxing of the Coolpad Suva about a month ago, so it's only been out for a month. I think he got it from Walmart, I believe, but now it's available on this one's website. So, yeah. So this is the Coolpad Suva. Basically on there, the outside you treat the natural on basic camera. Power man, he's on the west side of the phone there. So yeah. Left side has your micro SD card and SIM card slot. That's a fine right there. Right side has your power and the piece. And then on the back of the Coolpad Suva is a dual camera setup along with your camera flash. You do have a fingerprint sensor and a Coolpad logo on the rear. So pretty nice looking phone for what it is, you know. So it says here, the Coolpad Suva is an elegant design smartphone with purpose. It features multi-function security options for your preference. Body dual camera sensor, migrant fetish every shot. Dependable power with a quick charge battery, so you can leave the way behind, and offers multiple Bluetooth audio cam for an enjoyable sound experience in the perfect 6.1 inch HD plus display. Right? Not bad. So quick start 6.1 inch display. Rear cameras in the dual cameras in the rear 13 megapixel main and the 2 megapixel depth sensor, I believe. 24 hours of talk time, 13 gigabytes of storage, and Android 10 on board. Of course, also workers are going to wait for the phone to arrive, pick it up and activate it on. The perfect size is 6.1 inch HD plus. Mass display is not only the perfect size to hold and put in your pocket, it is also big enough to share with a brilliant screen, making it easy to enjoy watching movies, viewing photos, or even playing games with family or friends. The multiple Bluetooth audio pairing also enhances your audio sharing capabilities. Dependable power with the 35-minute battery, the legacy Suva allows you to leave the way behind. The 24-hour talk time allows you to call, text, and view throughout your entire day without having to plug in. So I'm guessing they call this one the Coolpad Legacy Suva. So whatever one is your preference or whatever. Vibrant cameras, the 13 and 2 megapixel dual rear cameras in the 5 megapixel camera creates crisp and clear photos every time. The flash on both the front and back cameras ensure vibrant photos and selfies with each shot. Wait a minute, there's a flash in the front? Yeah, what? Huh. Unless it might be a screen flash, I guess. I don't know. So, put it in there. Personalized security. Forget about having to remember your online code. Choose your favorite quick access preference for your device. Use the touch of your phone or the quick glance of your face and have instant access to your phone. You gotta do get both visual recognition and fingerprint sensor. So that's not bad for a budget phone like this. It's not bad, but that's a pretty cool feature, right? It also has an elegant design. that asks for minimated clear balance design coupled with the diamond cubes edges for an elegant quality that is typically found in premium priced smartphones. Get the elegant design without the high price tag. Last is the asymmetrical balanced design also. Yeah, get angry 10. Some of the newest ways to control your privacy, customize your phone, and get things done as Android just the way you want. Make sure that women capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Even when you're traveling in Mexico. Point that on is required for that to work. Also has voice from Google so this will be good for emergency. So it says I keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month up to months of voice running. And it also has mobile hotspot as well. So it says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone and take Wi-Fi hotspot for unlimited access. Access varies per month. So the specs was trying to put it good. Like I said, this is a budget thing, so not too bad to look at this. So you guys get a 35 battery, 24 hours of talk time, 9 millimeter battery, 3 gigawatts of RAM, 30 gigawatts of RAM. We support up to 64 gigawatts of micro SD expansion, 2 gigahertz octa-core MediaTek 6762 processor, Android 10, 13 megapixel main camera, and 82 megapixel dash sensor on the rear, processor 5 megapixel 5 camera, 6.1 inch HD Plus LCD display. Your dimensions in the Coolpad Suva 6.19 inches height, 3 inches width, and 36 inches depth. The Coolpad Suva was 6.1 ounces. Your connectivity options are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C for charging, so it can last. What's included in the box here is a Coolpad Suva phone, USB-C data cable, health and safety warranty guide, charger, quick start guide. Alright, so nothing special in the box there. If you guys need help with your phone, Boost Mobile has you covered with that with device support. So want to know everything that is to know about this phone. Done everything from setting up your email to managing all other games and applications. So, yeah. So, the USA with the Coolpad Suva is not available at Boost Mobile. It's currently on sale for $49.99. For retail price is $99.99. Like I said, you guys can check out an unboxing of this thing. Paul Tech did a bit there, unboxing of this phone about a month ago. So check that out. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.